Water vapor is a gaseous form of water. It is composed of 2 hydrogen molecules and 1 oxygen molecule, also known as H2O. This greenhouse gas makes up 0.4% of the atmosphere, but has a very important role in climate change. Despite its quantity relative to other GHGs, water vapor traps heat in the air, further increasing levels of other GHGs in the atmosphere and warming the earth. This gas can be found in many places, like the clouds or the steam in your shower. It is important to gain knowledge on this so you can be more aware of the effects of climate change.
Methane is a chemical compound with the chemical formula CH4. It is the main constituent of natural gas. The relative abundance of methane on Earth makes it an attractive fuel, although capturing and storing it poses challenges due to its gaseous state. The Earth's atmospheric methane concentration has increased by about 150% since 1750, and it accounts for 20% of the total greenhouse gases. Methane can be formed by the decay of natural materials and is common in landfills, marshes, septic systems, and sewers. Methane is also released during the mining and distribution of fossil fuels. It is used primarily as a fuel to make heat and light and can be used to manufacture organic chemicals. In homes, methane may be used to fuel a water heater, stove, and clothes dryer.
Carbon dioxide is the 4th most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere. At room temperature, carbon dioxide is colorless, odorless, non-flammable gas. At other temperatures and pressures, carbon dioxide can be a liquid or solid. Carbon dioxide is produced when fossil fuels are burned or decaying vegetation. Surface soils can sometimes contain high concentrations of this gas from decaying vegetations or chemical changes in the bedrock. Carbon dioxide can also be found when humans or animals exhale and can also be found on plants.
Nitrous oxide is a byproduct of fuel combustion in mobile and stationary sources. In environmental conditions, it is colorless and sweet-smelling. It is used in the dairy industry as a mixing foam agent, in motorsports to speed engines, and by deep-sea divers to avoid nitrogen narcosis. When inhaled, it has a sedative and pain-relieving effect, as well as causing amusing effects, hence the name laughing gas. Nitrous oxide is released naturally from soils and water bodies as part of the microbial processes of nitrification and denitrification. The 2 major man-made sources are from agriculture. It is also released from power stations and road transports, particularly since the introduction of catalytic converters. Nitrous oxide does not have a local environmental impact. On a global scale, however, it does contribute to global warming and is the 3rd most important greenhouse gas in the UK. Although relatively small amounts are released, it has a high global warming potential. Nitrous oxide also damages the ozone layer, thus reducing the protection offered from harmful UV sun rays. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change introduced measures designed to achieve reduction of greenhouse gas releases. Therefore, steps are being taken to limit the potential impacts of this greenhouse gas.